Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 28th, 2025, and I've already solved one puzzle. That is the 3-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The 4 stars and the JigSaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. And here we have 20 puzzles, well 19 puzzles to go till end of this project, yes. Alright, this one will be number 9982. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. 16. No, correction, 24. Yeah, it's a truly 4 stars puzzle. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. One in this column, one in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 2 6 6. Need a 3 here. Okay. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 6 6 5 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left, 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3. Come on. 3 3. 3 3 3. Okay. Well. We have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left 1 should be there. 3 in the 6 here. 6 there. 5 9. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 1. Okay. In this big square we need an 8. We have 8 in this row, middle row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. The 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. 6 4 5. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place left 5 should be there. Anyhow, 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. You see how another 1 in this row, no 1 there. Another 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 7 9 9 9 7 and I need a 2. 7 and 2, okay. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column 3 now need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 in the column next, no 1 there, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1, 2, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9, need a 9 here. 4, 5, 5. I need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Come on. Need a 8. Need a 7. Come on. 7. Need a 8. Need a 6. 6. In this row we need a 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, only 3 places left, the 6 will be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 could be here, could be there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. In this column, 5 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, or there. We have another 6 in this row, no 6 there. Another 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. These 3 missing numbers are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. That means 1 digit left in the third column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. 3, okay. In this big square we need a 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with 8 as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next to the last column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left, 8 could be here, could be there. 6, 2, 1, 9. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. So if I eliminate here, the 6, so the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square. Number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left is 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left now in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left now in the last column. I believe the 6. I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. These 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. Then 1 box left now in the third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Need a 8 here. We have an 8 in this one, no 8 in these two boxes. The 8 could be here. We need a 2 here. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. The 2 could be here. And we need a 9 here. We have a 9 in the first one, no 9 in these two boxes. The 9 could be here, could be there. 2, need a 2 there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, 2 in the row below. Only place level 2. Should be there. 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. 2 in the second column, 2 in the first column. The only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers to 1. The 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, and 9. Cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left. The 4 could be here, could be there. 4, 5, and 2 is missing. Need a 2 here or there. Well, 3 missing numbers. The 4, 5, and the 2. 4, 5, and the 2. Well, we have a 4 and a 5 here. So this box should be a 2 then. So these 2 should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. So the 2 and the 7 are left. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Here 4 and a 9. Need to wait. Here also 4 and a 9. Need to wait. 7. 7 this row. 7 the last row. So the row between only 3 places level 7 should be here, here or there. We have 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 could be here. Could be there. 3, 8, and 2, 2. Come on. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with the 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there, 6 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. Then the 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left. The 8 could be here, could be there. 2, 1, 5. Well, yeah. 4 and a 9. 3. Come on, taking too long. 7 and a 9. Here should be also 7 and a 9. 2, 2, 2, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. How about the 3? 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so look up next. Only 2 places left. 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 and 8, we have 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 14 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. And we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with our last puzzle for today, this afternoon, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye. for now.